Malco's Tru-Grit Heavy-Duty Compound is an aggressive buffing compound designed for rotary buffers. Its advanced formula is designed to remove 1000 grit and finer sand scratches and heavy oxidation on the hardest of clear coats. The diminishing abrasive also allows for the product to polish to a finer finish than other heavy cutting compounds, making the polishing step easier. Tru-Grit contains no waxes, silicones, or fillers, making it ideal for any body shop. Use Tru-Grit with a rotary buffer and heavy cutting wool pad. We'll be using our white wool heavy cutting pad. Make sure to shake the product well before using. Apply a 2-inch dab of Tru-Grit and spread over a 2-foot by 2-foot section with the cutting pad. Buff at a speed between 16 and 2200 RPM. Work the buffer slowly in a crosshatch pattern until most of the product is gone and gloss appears. The water-based formula makes the cleanup step easy. Tru-Grit is designed to help you tackle those tough jobs and imperfections by cutting through them with ease. While it does feature diminishing abrasives to improve its finish, use Malco's True Polish as a follow-up step for the ultimate mirror finish. Tru-Grit Heavy-Duty Compound is perfect for those looking for an aggressive rotary compound designed to repair paint defects and remove heavy sand scratches or oxidation on any automotive, marine, or industrial coating. To learn more about Tru-Grit Heavy-Duty Compound, contact your Malco distributor or visit malcoautomotive.com.